In higher vertebrates, the immune system can distinguish self cells and non-self. If this property is lost due to genetic abnormality and it attacks the self cells, then it leads to what? The answer is option C, autoimmune disease. In higher vertebrates, the immune system is capable of distinguishing self cells from non-self, and this is crucial for protecting the body from infections and other threats. Now, if there is a genetic abnormality or malfunction in the immune system, it may lose the ability to distinguish between self and non-self, and in this case the immune system begins to attack the body's own cells, which lead to autoimmune disease. So the answer is option C. Coming to option A, allergic response. Allergic response occur when the immune system reacts to harmless substances such as allergens. For example, pollen, dust, or food, as if they were harmful invaders. So option A is incorrect. Option B, graft rejection. This occurs when the immune system attacks transplanted tissues or organs because they are recognized as foreign substance. Option D, active immunity. Active immunity occurs when the immune system is exposed to a pathogen or vaccine and develops an immune response. And this is a protective mechanism, not an autoimmune response. So the answer is option C.